So the time is 4 right now. I am with my bike. I'm going again for a ride. This time it's not going to be a undiscovered trail, but I'm going to some another location. And this is going to be my first time driving on that place. Let's just see how does it turn out. And I'm going with my friend. So we have a meeting point. The next shot that you'll see will be from the meeting point itself. New bike. So we have reached this meeting point. He's my friend and this is his new bike. So my friend, he got a new bike, but that really wasn't the reason for us to go for a ride. You see, this friend of mine, we used to live in the same building. We grew up together, we used to play together, we used to go together for these cycling adventures and explorations, but that time we used to do it all in a very close proximity. In fact, there was one time when we crashed into each other while on our bikes, that too on purpose. Because just like that, and this time he told me that he bought a new bike, we both knew it, that this was our time to relive all those childhood memories and moments all together. And that's exactly how we ended up with this ride. Also, my main motive behind all the ride series is to embrace everything that's around you. Our agenda for this ride was to check out the cycling lane. And this time exactly on this exploration ride, we got to witness this cool graffiti, which we really didn't know existed. Remember, as a kid, all of this was exactly what made you excited. And what good way to cherish it by the medium of sports. Cycling, trekking, running, walking, and playing any sports with your friends, with the people that you know, is the best possible way to enjoy with them as well as being fit. That's the agenda and that's the goal. Spending more time with the people that you know, spending more time having fun and exploring while keeping your fitness at prime. And the rains are the party pooper, so we've just stopped now because the rains have started a lot. And yeah, we are in a safe position. So while on a ride back home, we had to deal with a lot of rain. And by the time I reached home, it was quite late. So I could not really record a proper ending. So this was my experience of riding with my friend exactly after 10 odd years. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Share this video with all your friends and family members. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button before leaving this video. I'll see you soon with the next video on this channel. Till then, take care and be awesome.